दुनिया की भीड़ में मैं खुद को कितना तन्हा पाता हूँ। वो मिल जाए तो चैन ले, उस दर पे सजदा चाहता हूँ।
by the gracious presence of our distinguished chief guest. It is our immense pleasure to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Shri Vinay Kumar Agarwal sir. Sir has completed his schooling in Raigad district of Chhattisgarh and pursued B.Tech in Computer Science Engineering from KIIT University, Bhubaneswar. He secured rank 1 in the state service examination 2013 and entered public service as deputy collector at the age of 25. Thank you, ma'am, for your eloquent and heartfelt. It is widely said leadership is not about next election, it is about the next generation. To continue this cherished tradition of hospitality, with immense pleasure, may I invite Ashata Dalal of Stanford to offer a floral bouquet to our honorable chief guest as an heartfelt expression of our gratitude and warm welcome. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir, for that gesture of goodwill and appreciation.
appreciate your valuable role in this ceremony. The moment has now arrived to unveil the names of the young leaders who will carry forward the legacy and values of our esteemed institution. To announce the names of the newly elected student council members for the academic year 2026-27, I cordially invite Sir Ashish Agrawal to the dais. May I request everyone to greet him with a warm round of applause.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. With great honor and pride, we welcome you all to the investiture ceremony of Holy Cross Convent Senior Secondary School, where we entrust our young leaders with responsibilities and celebrate their journey towards excellence. Today marks a significant occasion, the installation of our newly elected student council, who will uphold the values of discipline, dedication and leadership. The investiture ceremony is not just about badges and shackles. It is about entrusting responsibility and nurturing leadership. It is a proud moment when our young leaders step forward to shoulder duties with integrity and vision. May I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, CEO Shri Vinay Kumar Agrawal, and our respected Principal, Dr. Sister Jessie Ticket, to adopt the badges and sashes to the newly elected student cabinet. Today, as our cabinet members receive their badges, let us remember that it is not merely a decoration. It is a symbol of trust, responsibility, and service. It reminds each leader that we are chosen to serve, not to rule, to inspire, not to command. Now it's time. With pride, I announce the main cabinet of Holy Cross. Group Captain Neville Vichara, Class 12A, followed by President of the school, Amok Varshapati of Class 12A, and Amrita of followed by Secretary of Alim Agrawal from Class 10C. Group Captain of the school, Neville Tripathi from Class 12A. President of the school, Amok Varshapati and Amrita Singh from Class 12A. Vice Presidents of the school, Akash Sindhal from Class 12B and Shambhavi Singh from Class 11A. Secretary, Siddhi Siddhya from Class 10A. Joint Secretary, Alim Agrawal from Class 10C. These emblems remind our leaders of their commitment to serve with dedication. These badges symbolize trust, honor, and responsibility. Our leaders proudly receiving their badges and sashes from our chief guest and our respected principal. Group Captain of the school, Neville Tripathi, President of the school, Amok Varshapati and Amrita Singh, Vice President of the school, Akash Sindhal and Shambhavi Singh, Secretary, Siddhi Vidya and Joint Secretary Arif Jawad. Next we have the house captains. Orange House Captain Akshat Vishwakarma from class 12B and Niharika Dixit from class 12A. The respective four houses are divided into four colors: red, blue, green, and orange. Red color symbolizes courage, passion, and determination. Blue color signifies wisdom, calmness, and trust. Green color shows growth, harmony, and balance. And orange color displays creativity, energy, and optimism. Each color reminds us that leadership is diverse yet united in purpose. House leaders inspire their houses with courage, enthusiasm, and teamwork. In the words of John Maxwell, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. House captains proudly receiving their chassis and badges from our respective chief guests. Once again, may I announce the name of the house captains? Red House Captain Aradhan Mishra and Ashish Srivastava. Blue House Captain Udit Bansal and Shreya Devi. Green House Captain Ram Bhattani and Diya Vora. And Orange House Captain Akshat Vishwakarma and Niharika Dixit. May I request our honorable chief guest and our respected principal to kindly step down and give away the remaining badges. Next we have the sports leader of the school. Vinika Rajpal from class 12A, Samisha Upadhyay from class 12B, Tanya Yadav from class 12C, Chandrasekhar from class 11B, Dev Mittal from class 11D, Aditi Singh from class 11D, Anukya Singh from class 11D, Arvind Bansal from class 10C, and Samarth Agarwal from class 10C. figure. Vinita Rajroy from class 12B, Samiksha Upadhyay from class 12B, Tanya Yadav from class 12C, Chandrasekhar from class 11B, Dev Mittal from class 11B, Aditi Singh from class 11E, Anugya Singh from class 11D, R.A.P. Bansal from class 10C, and Saman Agrawal from class 10E. Next we have the competition leaders who will execute and organize various academic and co-curricular competitions. The competition leaders of the school are Navya Kushwaha, Nidhi Bansal, and Krishna Agrawal from class 11 and 12. Competition leaders from class 10, Ved Shukla and Arya Siddiqui. And competition leaders from class 9, Shailja Gupta and Pragati Singh. Now we have the event managers of the school, the mastermind behind organizing and executing school events flawlessly. Event managers are Khushi Mittal from class 12A, Advita Senapati from class 12A, Shavi Agrawal from class 12B, Divyanshi Singh from class 12B, Ayushi Kashyap from class 12B, Abhyan Soni from class 12C, Purvi Srivastava from class 12B, Samriddhi Agrawal from class 12B, Shaurya Gupta from class 12B, Aryan Sahu from class 11A, Shivam Garg from class 11A, Ishika Chaudhary from class 11A. May I now invite our respected Sister Lizzie and Sister Jaya to give away the remaining badges. Event managers, Aryan Sahu from class 11A, Shivam Garg from class 11A, Ishika Chaudhary from class 11A, Rishabh Sahu from class 11B, Mannat Gupta from class 11B, Shiny Soni from class 11E, Anand Singh from class 11E, Kavya Bansal from class 10B, Hanshika Goyal from class 10C, Avantika Tripathi from class 10C, and Aditya Roshan from class 10E. Event managers of the school are followed by the cultural leaders of the school. The cultural leaders are Priyanshi Goyal from class 12A, Tia Mazumdar from class 12A, Himanshi Gupta from class 12B, Akashi Agrawal from class 12C, Apeksha Gupta from class 12B, Anand Garg from class 12C, Shambhavi Singh from class 11A, Keshav Singh Rawat from class 11B, Andesha Singh from class 11C, Divyanshi Soni from class 11B, Satakshi Agrawal from class 11B, Harshita Manmani from class 11B, Saurabh from class 12A, Vaishnavi Pandey from class 10A, Dipakshita Raj from class 10B, Jasmine Kaur Bhamra from class 10B, Pehal Datta from class 10B, Anvesha Singh from class 11C, Ron from class 10, Pehzalda from class 10B, Anvisha Singh from class 11C, to carry on the proceedings, may I now invite Mr. Prinsha Srivastava. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The presentation of badge is more than a ceremonial tradition, and setting the standards through discipline and exemplary conduct makes leaders in line are disciplined leaders. Dharmesh Verma, class 12A. Shreyansh Gupta, Tanushri Gupta, Vanshika Devra, and Swati Agarwal of class 12A. Lisa Tomo of class 12B. In continuation, Vandita Vishwani, class 12B, Ronak Pandey and Ishwarya Singh of class 11C, Anand Srivastava of class 11A, Pranti Soni and Ravini Kundo of class 11B, and Purvi Verma of class 11C. In continuation, Anuriti Gupta of class 11C, Tejashwini Singh of class 10A, Ritika Soni of class 10C, Asta Soni of class 10B, and Palak Mehta of class 10B. Next in the sequence are the club in charges, starting with the arts club leaders who inspire artistic excellence through creativity and passion. President Elvish Kadur of class 12A and Shri Khadakvanshi of class 12A. Vice President Aryan Sharma of class 11E and Aditi Kashyap of class 12B. Secretary Rose Aliza Kadur of class 10E and Shri Tigga of class 9B as joint secretary. President of Eco Club Arush Soni of class 12A, Sakshi Upadhyay class 12B. Vice President Lakshmi Mishra of class 11E and Unnati Jaiswal of class 11B. Secretary Shubham Mishra of class 10B and Joint Secretary Nishna Singh of class 10C. Now we proceed to the presentation of badges to our health and sports club leaders dedicated to fostering physical fitness and team spirit. President Suman Singh Thakur of class 12A and Divyansh Tiwari of class 12A. Vice President Shruti Giri of class 12B and Arya Soni of class 12B. Secretary Agarjot Singh of class 10E and Joint Secretary Shantanu Singh of class 10C. Next in the sequence is the literary club leaders who inspire a love for language and literature and the art of thoughtful expression. President Divyansh Jaiswal of class 12B and Anuja Minch of class 12B. Vice President Dikshant Kushwaha and Anukya Dubey of class 11B. Secretary Maya Singh Baghe of class 10A and Joint Secretary Anushka Agarwal of class 10A.
whose passion for melody and rhythm fills our spirit with harmony and joy. President Vivashwar Singh of Class 11C, Vice President Arjun Jot Singh of Class 10E, Secretary R.R. Pandey of Class 10C and Joint Secretary Samini Pathak of Class 9D. Thank you so much, sisters. Thank you, sisters. You may please take your seat. Now I invite Sister and Sister Lavina to please come forward and present the badges to our in charges. Next in the sequence are our class representatives serving as a bridge between students and teachers and playing a vital role in building a positive, united classroom. Aiza Hassan Ansari from class 6A, T. Sai from class 6B, Sharanya Pandey from class 6C, Shanti Soni from class 6D, Rakshita Jain from class 6E, Prisha Agarwal from class 6F, and Karan Ahmed Khan from class 6G. From class 7, Shorya Agrawal from class 7A, Bhumika Sitwani from class 7B, Samisha Singh from class 7C, Vani Agrawal from class 7D, Parisha Gupta from class 7E, Anvi Yadav from class 7F, and Anay Tiwari from class 7G. From class 8, Samisha Singh of class 8A, Ojas Rakwanshi from class 8B, Roshni Padri from class 8C, Pratyusha Pandey from class 8D, Lakshmi Singh from class 8E, Samriti Singh from class 8F, and Aradhya Singh from class 8G. From class 9, Aradhya Garg of class 9A, Rudra Dayal Tiwari of class 9B, Ishani Rai of class 9C, Danvi Agrawal of class 9B, Aradhya Mukherjee of class 9E, Ishan Sharma of class 9F, and Manish Bharti of class 9G. From class 10, Diksha Agrawal from class 10A, Ayush Sankhardi from class 10B, Sanskar Singh from class 10C, Arunima Roy from class 10D, Virat Kumar Gupta from class 10E, and Sakshi Gupta from class 10F. From class 11, Manas Goswami from class 11A, Shambhavi Singh from class 11B, Ananya Sinha from class 11C, Purva Agrawal from class 11D, and Pusheen Kaur Benjamin from class 11B. From class 12, Sumikir Sharma from class 12A, Janvi Soni from class 12B, Dipti Verma from class 12C, and Aditi Singh from class 12D. Thank you, sisters. You may please take your seats. To proceed further, I invite Ms. Anuradha to the stage.
We extend our heartfelt appreciation to the esteemed guests, sisters, and teachers who graciously joined us in conferring the badges of responsibility. Thank you for making this moment truly memorable. All the promise. In the name of the Almighty God, and in the presence of
Yogesh Pandey, School President.
Ambika Singh, School President.
Akash Singhal, Vice President.
Shambhavi Singh, Vice President. Siddhi Sidhvita, Secretary.
Ayendra Diwali, Joint Secretary.
solemnly pledge that I shall fulfill all the duties and responsibilities towards my school with full earnestness and devotion. I commit myself to be pure in thought, word and deed. I promise to uphold the ideals and principles of this institution and to perform my duties to the best of my ability without fear or favor. We sincerely thank you, sister, for administering the oath of office. May the words pledged today not remain a mere ceremonial recital, but become a guiding principles that shape the actions and character of our newly elected leaders. The badges we witnessed being bestowed today are not merely symbols of authority. They are emblems of trust, commitment, and service. To reflect upon the significance of this occasion, I respectfully once again invite our respected principal, Dr. Sister Jessie, to address the assembly and offer words of appreciation. Every school has classrooms where knowledge is shared, playgrounds where talents are discovered, and occasions like today where character is entrusted with responsibility. The investiture ceremony is one of such moments. It is a celebration of trust, commitment, and willingness of young people to serve others before others. Thank you, sister. Your thoughtful words have beautifully reinforced the true essence of leadership, service, discipline, and commitment. As the great philosopher Confucius said, the will to win, the desire to succeed, and the urge to reach your full potential are the keys that unlock the door to personal excellence. With profound respect and immense pleasure, I invite our revered chief guest, Mr. Vinay Kumar Agarwal, sir, to deliver the keynote address. Sir, the dais and the house gathering eagerly await your inspiring words. Please give a big round of applause for our chief guest.
Thank you. Honorable Principal, respected teachers, sisters, dear parents, and young student leaders. It is a privilege and a matter of great pleasure for me to be here on the occasion of investiture ceremony in your prestigious school. First of all, I sincerely thank the school management and the principal madam for inviting me to share this special occasion with all of you. When I was interacting with few of you during that ceremony, so तब मुझे अपने स्कूल के दिनों की याद आई और that time we used to have only 8 to 10 house prefects and only one is head girl and another is head boy. So principal मैम was saying कि कुछ जो बच्चे ऐसे भी हैं जो बहुत bright हैं, जो बहुत और अच्छे हैं, but they don't come up. वो leader बनने के लिए आगे नहीं आना चाहते. I hope this ceremony केवल एक आगे बढ़ के जाएगा, बैच को लेकर आगे जाएगा, बल्कि आज की जो बातें हैं उसको हम अपने अंदर इनहेरिट करें, उनसे हम सीखें और जीवन में नई ऊंचाइयों को छुएं. Okay? So before I conclude, I would like to have a student with one thought. I would like to leave the students with one thought.
To our state guest, SAS Mr. Viren